Catherine Bernardo update. Congrats kay Catherine. Yung box office hero si Catherine sa 8 Eddies Entertainment Editor's Choice for Hello Love Again. At may 8 nomination din ng Hello Love Again. Ngayon pa lang, congrats na kay Catherine. Ito IG story ng Ivy Clinic and Ivy Day ni Catherine. Sa session niya, Ivy Shining Bright. Kasama niya si Snowy. So, ito pa yung...
So, a little life update. I just finished doing PCT. So, now I'm gonna make more time dito sa IV. Then, after, I'll have a short vacation. So, yun muna yung mga ganaps ko sa life. There, here's my update. Thanks for joining me today. Goodbye.
Yeah. So, ito pa, yung during and after party ng Pilipinas Got Talent. And nag-duet pa si FNG at si Catherine.
Ang sarado ko ng puso, ikaw ba?
Kasi ni Catherine. So, ito pa. And during and TCL event sa SM MOA Music Hall, ay pinagkagalawan pa si Catherine ng mga fans niya hanggang sa paglabas niya ng mall. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.